Hello everyone, in front of me is OPPO A2 and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. First of all, open the settings, then find and select additional settings, scroll all the way down and enter Backup and Reset. Here click on Backup and Migrate, select Local Backup and click on New Backup. Now you can select data and start your backup. So here you can do it. Just click on Start and it will be automatically done. Let me go back. Obviously just wait till it's done. And you can also activate backup with Google One smoothly by clicking on Google Backup and then selecting Turn it on. And from now on your device backs up data automatically over Wi-Fi after it's been idle and charging for 2 hours. However, if you want to do it right now, just click on Backup Now. So this is it. This is how you can create backup on your device, on your OPPO A2. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.